How the Olympic Games felt to me, because it's something that I've dreamt about since I was a young boy. And Michael Phelps, I mean, I remember watching him swim in Athens when Rake and Roland and the Merida team won the gold. I was just 11 or 12 years old, and Michael Phelps back then won the 6 golds. And I remember saying to myself, well, not really, I was still young, but I always wanted to race him in an Olympic final. I mean, I never really thought it would come true. So it's incredible, it really is. I think the best advice I've ever got given is, never to give up on your dreams and your goals. I remember as a youngster when I was swimming, I used to be a breaststroke swimmer, and I tore both my groins and my adductors, and they told me I wouldn't be able to, kick ever again. And I was out of action for 4.5 months, and I couldn't move my legs in the water like that because they were pretty broken. So, I mean, you just never have to give up. And I think at the end of the day, you gotta set yourselves. The saying that I live by is set impossible goals and achieve them. When I was overseas, I was getting a lot of messages and proposals to trick dancers, and I think I said in one of the interviews on the BBC, they asked me, what are you going to do about all these offers? I don't know how you said it, but I remember saying that the first lady to ask me back in South Africa, the first person I saw that asked me, I would go with them. So basically I like to think I'm keeping to my word, and I'm going to be going next week, Saturday, to Matric Dance. So yeah, check out.